This is a story about a very special dog. His name is Snoopy. Snoopy is a small white dog with black ears. He lives in a little red house. But Snoopy does not sleep inside his house. He sleeps on top of his house. Snoopy is very funny. His best friend is a boy named Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown is kind and gentle. They are best friends. One morning, Charlie Brown looked out the window. It was raining. Rain, rain, rain. The sky was all gray. Charlie Brown wanted to play outside. But he could not play in the rain. He sat by the window and looked sad.
Oh no, I really wanted to fly my kite today. But the rain will not stop.
Charlie Brown put his head down. He felt very, very sad. Snoopy was sitting on top of his little red house. He saw Charlie Brown through the window. Snoopy could see that his friend was sad. My friend is sad. I need to help him. Snoopy jumped down from his house. He ran to Charlie Brown's door. Knock, knock, knock. Charlie Brown opened the door.
Oh, hi, Snoopy.
But his voice was quiet and sad. Snoopy had an idea. He made a funny face. He crossed his eyes and stuck out his tongue. Charlie Brown smiled a little. Then Snoopy started to dance. He wiggled his ears. He shook his tail. He spun around and around and around.
Haha, that's funny, Snoopy.
But then Charlie Brown looked at the window again. The rain was still falling. And Charlie Brown felt sad again. But Snoopy did not give up. He had a very big idea. Snoopy put on his flying goggles. He climbed on top of his little red house. Come with me, Charlie Brown.
Where are we going, Snoopy?
Snoopy pointed up to the sky. We are going above the clouds. Charlie Brown climbed up next to Snoopy. He closed his eyes. And they started to imagine. Whoosh! They flew up, up, up into the sky. They flew above the rain. They flew above the gray clouds. And then, they saw the sun. The sun was bright and warm.
Look, Snoopy. I can see a rainbow.
A beautiful rainbow was in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. It was so pretty. Charlie Brown was smiling now. A big, happy smile. They came back from their big adventure. Charlie Brown opened his eyes. It was still raining outside. But now, Charlie Brown did not feel sad. He looked at Snoopy and smiled.
Hey, Snoopy, let's go play in the rain.
Snoopy wagged his tail so fast. They ran outside together. They jumped in puddles. Splash! 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 They laughed and laughed and laughed. The rain was not so bad after all. After they played, they sat together. Snoopy put his head on Charlie Brown's lap.
Thank you, Snoopy. You always make me happy. You are the best friend in the whole world.
Snoopy smiled. Because that is what friends do. They help each other. They make each other smile. And they are always there for each other. The end. Thank you for watching. See you next time.